Hello bachcho, let's see this question. The question says a card has been misplaced from the pack of 52 playing cards. From such an incomplete pack, 2 cards are drawn simultaneously without replacement and found to be both spades. The probability that the missing card was also from spade suit is A option is 13 by 48, B option is 4 by 17, C option is 11 by 24 and D option is 11 by 50. तो सबसे पहले देखते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए हम लोग क्या की कॉन्सेप्ट यूज करने वाले हैं एंड उस की कॉन्सेप्ट के बेसिस पे इस क्वेश्चन को कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए के गिवन दैट ए क्या होता है हमारे पास, द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए के probability of A given that A K divided by, बेसिकली हम इसमें बेस थ्योरम यूज करने वाले हैं. probability of A1 probability of A given that A1 plus probability of A2 probability of A given that A2 plus and so on up to Pk. Let us suppose that we have K events. So P probability of A given that A K. अब देखो इवेंट्स जो है हम इसमें अज्यूम कर लेते हैं क्या क्या इवेंट्स है अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन. सो लेट अस टेक A1 ले लेते हैं द लॉस्ट कार्ड फ्रॉम स्पेड. सो लिख लेते हैं A1 इज अ इवेंट सच दैट लॉस्ट कार्ड फ्रॉम स्पेड एंड A2 ले लेते हैं द लॉस्ट कार्ड नॉट फ्रॉम स्पेड. एंड ए इवेंट ले लेते हैं हम यहाँ पे 2 कार्ड्स ड्रॉन आर स्पेस. गिवन है दैट वी हैव टू ड्रॉन 2 कार्ड्स फ्रॉम दिस. सो 2 drawn cards are spade. Now we have to find that the probability that the lost card from spade, given that we have to find 2 cards, like we have to draw 2 cards. Now let's find all the values which is given in the question, that PA1 is what, that the lost card from the spade and total spades are 13 and total card are 52. So this is coming out to 1 by 4. And the lost card not from spade, that is we can write A2, which is 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. Now we have to find the probability of A given that A1. That means if we are drawing 2 card given that the lost card is spade, so that means the remaining spade card are, that is 12. So out of 12, if we are have to select 2 cards, so that is 12C2, and the total card are 51 because 1 card is already lost. So 51C2. Further we can simplify this. You will write it as 12 into 11 divided by 51 into 50. Now similarly we have to find the probability of A given that A2. That means the lost card is not spade. That means we have already 13 spade card. So out of 13 we have to select 2 and the total card is again 51 and I have to select 2. So let's write it as 13 into 12 divided by 51 into 50. Let's put all the values in the formula to get the answer. And now this time the formula will become A1. So PA1 given that A is equal to PA1 PA given that A1 divided by PA2 PA given that A2. पहले A2 लिख लो या पहले A1 लिख लो, बात एक ही है. Ultimately we have to add that PA1 plus into PA given that A1. अब देखो वैल्यूज हम इसमें पुट कर देंगे, जो वैल्यूज हमने फाइंड आउट करी है. तो वैल्यू पुट करेंगे तो PA1 जो है हमारे पास क्या है 1 by 4. PA गिवन दैट A1 जो है हमारे पास क्या है 12 into 11 divided by 51 into 50. अगेन डिनोमिनेटर में यहाँ पे लिख लेंगे 3/4 इंटू 13 इंटू 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 51 इंटू 50. अगेन यहाँ पे लिख देंगे 1/4 12 इंटू 11 डिवाइडेड बाय 51 इंटू 50. अब देखो यहाँ पे 12/4 इंटू 51 इंटू 50 जो है वो कॉमन आ रहा है, तो कॉमन ले लेते हैं. तो PA1 गिवन दैट A यहां से कॉमन आ गया. 12/4 इंटू 51 इंटू 50. तो रिमेनिंग टर्म जो है वो क्या बच जाएगी यहाँ पे 11. और डिनोमिनेटर में हमारे पास अगेन 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 इंटू 51 इंटू 50 अगर हम कॉमन लेंगे तो यहाँ पे बच जाएगा हमारे पास 13 प्लस 11. So you can see that. And 3 is also there. So 13 into 3, 3 into 13 plus 11. अब देखो ये टर्म कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगी, यहाँ पे 11 बच गया, ये हो जाएगा 39 plus 11. So you will get it as 11/50. So the final answer is option D. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck. Thank you.